Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find the derivative of sine x times cosine x. To do this, we're going to use something called the product rule. So the product rule says if you have the derivative with respect to x, so d dx, of f of x times g of x, you can think of f as your first function and g as your second function. So it's going to be the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second, just like that, right? Really nice. So very, very powerful stuff, very powerful rule. All right, so let's apply it here to this problem. So this is going to be our f of x, sine x in this problem, and our g of x is going to be cosine x, okay? So let's go ahead and switch colors here. I'm gonna use yellow. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. So we have d dx of sine x times cosine x. All right, let's start. So it's going to be the derivative of the first. So the derivative of sine is cosine. So cosine x times the second, which is also cosine x, plus the first, which is just sine x, times the derivative of the second. And the derivative of the second, well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this would be negative sine x. Let's check our work. So it's the derivative of the first, which is cosine, times the second, which is cosine, plus the first, which is sine, times the derivative of the second term, or second factor, which is going to be negative sine, because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this is equal to, well, let's see, cosine times cosine is cosine squared x. And then sine times sine is sine squared, so this is minus sine squared x. And that would be the final answer to this problem. Hopefully this helps you get just a little bit better at using the power rule. Good luck to you.